2017, the European premier event for entertainment and media professionals.
An event that in 2016 attracted more than 55,000 attendees from over 159 countries for the conference and exhibition.
1,600 companies are jostling for space in the packed halls of the RAI. Hi, this is Kaylee Hewlett from InBroadcast, and I'm joined here by Greg Dolan at Xytech. Now, Greg, tell me, what's new for Xytech?
Well, there's a couple things we're doing this year. First, there are 2 refreshes to our existing product line, MediaPulse. The first one's around transmission, and it's a real redesign and a rethink of how you can automatically provision a video circuit. So you pick a destination, you pick a source, and we figure out exactly how you can get there the most efficiently. We then talk to every other system that you have to do to nail that circuit up, monitor the circuit, bring it back down, and then figure out how much it all costs. So that's a really big development for us. The second part is really with our media automation. This is something we've been doing for over 10 years, but we're at the point now where you can simply tell us what content you're using, outline what your services are, and then we can completely figure out what your manufacturing manifest might be, what things you need to do to get that done, and then we can talk to whatever systems it is, whether it's a transcode system, a delivery system, a watermark system, all automated, a couple of clicks, and then what used to be 5 or 10 manual steps are now just one automatic click. And those are really important developments for us.
Great stuff. Now, can you tell me about any new products at Xytech?
Okay. Well, the big new push is really around the cloud. We've been working our way towards the cloud now for several years, and this year we've already begun to roll out MediaPulse in the cloud. You can put our entire existing system up there. We'll take care of all the provisioning for you. We'll take care of all your hardware and software needs. Literally, you come to us, we throw a switch, and we have you up and running. And that's available for all of our clients, regardless of the size. So you could be 500 users or down to the smallest of users. Also, as part of that, is a rethink of an express system. We call it Sky Express. And this is really for smaller companies, 5 or 10 person creative places, maybe small broadcast places, where we can take a system and really have you up and going in about 3 days, which we think is really important.
Now, talking about the cloud, that leads me on to ask, what does the future hold for Xytech?
Well, that really gets at everything I just talked about is sort of where we're trying to point to. We have this idea that your order entry system really should be how your facility runs, that everything runs from that idea of asking somebody what they should do. So by having a web interface, by having a mobile interface, by putting it in the cloud, by allowing all the other steps to be automated as you attach to us, we think that becomes more and more relevant. The idea of a standalone scheduling system that doesn't drive automation, it's just completely obsolete now. So we've been working very hard the last couple of years to sort of make sure that we're incredibly relevant to our customers. It's been a lot of investments, and we're starting to really see that pay off in really great products that our clients seem to be really excited about.
That's really exciting stuff. Now, where can people find out more information?
You can always find us on the web. It's xytechsystems.com, and there's all kinds of contact information there.
Thank you so much, Greg.
Thank you. Appreciate your time.
There you go, you heard it, that's xytechsystems.com. This is Kaylee Hewlett coming to you with Greg Dolan at Xytech.